and good morning. It is Wednesday, October the 13th, 2021. We will continue our review for the upcoming exams. Today we start with science, review of units 1 and 2.
Hello, good morning P3. Are we all awake? Good. It's already Wednesday, October the 13th, 2021. We will continue reviewing for our upcoming exams. So today we will review units 1 and 2 of our science books, all about basic needs of animals and the life cycle. So we have to start with vocabulary, so please get your vocabulary book, go to week number 2 and then the first 5 words at the top of the page, week number 2. Okay? Good, let's go. Okay, bottom of the page, no teacher. Top of the page, week 2. 5 words that start with the letter G. The first one, Grandmother. 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 Now I think you all know who your grandmother is. Yeah, your grandmother is the mother of your father or your mother. Right? And then the father of your father or your mother is called your grandfather. But you know this, right? Just want you to remember the spelling. Okay, so you copy the words under the writing part. Okay, number 2, Grass. 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 Not to be confused with glass. This is glass. Grass is the green stuff outside. For example, on the football field, you have grass. In the park, there is grass. Number 3, Great. 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 When you think something is very nice, you can say, wow, that's great. You can also say that something is great can mean that something is big. Okay? So, you can also say, wow, what a great idea. It means, what a good idea. So, great has more meanings. Number 4, Guitar. 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 Yay. Maybe can you play the guitar? I can't play the guitar. A little bit. So, you all know what a guitar is, right? It's like ding 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 ding. Number 5, I don't like that one. Gun. 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 What is a gun? You know, right? I think you see action movies. So, that's a gun. The one that you hold in your hand and you can shoot. Okay. Grandmother. Grandmother. Grass. Grass. Great. Great. Guitar. Guitar. Gun. Gun. Okay, copy the words in your vocabulary book and then we will also make 3 sentences containing 3 of these words. Okay, the 3 sentences for today. Number 1, we use the word grass, and grass is usually green. I've never seen blue grass. Well, you see some yellowish grass, but grass is usually green. Number 2, wow, that's a great idea. So we use the word great, another word for good or fantastic. Wow, that's a great idea. Let's go shopping. Wow, that's a great idea. And number 3, my brother can play guitar. My brother can play guitar. Remember, you don't say my brother can play the guitar, because the kind of implement that there's only one guitar. So you can say, I can play piano, I can play guitar. Okay? My brother can play guitar. So one more time. Grass is usually green. Wow, that's a great idea. My brother can play guitar. Okay, copy these sentences on the top, under the words for today. And when you're finished, you can play the video again, and then we will go to our science book. So after you copy the sentences, get your science book, and we will review Unit 1 and 2. Okay, exam review for science. So we need our science book, and go to Unit 1. So for science, I want you to review Unit 1, pages 1 to 6. So let's have a look. Pages 1 to 6 is all about the basic needs of animals and humans. It starts here. So you remember, humans and animals need food to survive. What are the other needs of animals and humans for survival? Well, what else do we need? We need food, but we also need water, and we also need air. Yeah? Preferably clean air to breathe. Because if we can't breathe, we can't eat. Yeah? So we need food, water, and air. That's 3 things that we need. And sunlight is probably also one thing that we really need. So those are the 3 things, so remember that. So read page 1 for your review, and also page 2. There are things that animals need, same as people, food, water and air. What you also need to know is the different kinds of animals. Now remember, on page 2, for example, you have a horse, a panda bear, a butterfly and a tortoise, but also a cow, sheep, bulls, deer. They all eat only plants and grass. So remember, an animal that only eats plants and grass is called a herbivore. Herbivore. So remember that. Then there are animals, for example, a crocodile and a lion or an owl, and some insects, like in this case a praying mantis. A praying mantis only eats other insects. An owl eats mice and rats. Lion, they eat, well, basically everything they can catch. Other animals, they eat monkeys or deer. And the same goes for a crocodile. A crocodile eats whatever he can catch, as long as it's another animal. And if it's a human, he will eat that too. Because for a crocodile, a human is just another animal. So animals like this, crocodiles, lions, owls and praying mantises, we know as carnivores. So remember, carnivores only eat other animals. Yeah? And then there are animals like people, and also monkeys and pigs, and actually also rabbits are also omnivores. They eat plants but also meat. So it's same as people. I eat vegetables, so plants, but I also eat chicken, for example. So I eat both meat and other animals, and also plants. So then I am an omnivore. Yes. So you need to remember these 3 things: plants only, herbivores; other animals, carnivores; eat both plants and other animals, omnivores. Yes, so remember that. That's on page 3. So I want you to review for Unit 1, page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? So review from Unit 1, pages 1 to 6. Let's look at what I want you to review from Unit 2. Okay, for Unit 2, I want you to review pages 20 and 21, 24 and 25. Okay, in your exam there will be a life cycle that I want you to show me and draw, but I will not tell you which one it is. So I want you to study page number 20, that's the life cycle of the chicken. Page 21, the life cycle of the cat. Then we go to page 24, study page 24 also and 25, life cycle of the butterfly and life cycle of the frog. So study those 4 life cycles, okay? So remember page 20, 21, 24 and 25, okay? So for science, study unit 1, pages 1 to 6, and unit 2, pages 20 to 21, 24 and 25. Okay, tomorrow I will review the rest of the test with you, the rest of the science test. Okay, so please join me for our Zoom class at 1 p.m. Because we will also review during our Zoom class. So we do a grammar review. So please, if you can, join us. It's for your own good, because the more we review, the better you will do your exams. Okay, so hope to see you at 1 p.m. Take care.